What are some of the other things that you see going forward where, you guys, great with your balance sheet, right? $9 million in treasury, no debt. And also you recently had a big investor come in, Eric Sprott, one of the biggest names in the entire industry when it comes to financing. Someone I know and I met, he's great and worked with Rick Rule for a long time. But what are some of the catalysts that you see that investors can look forward to over the next 6 months and into maybe a year or 2 years from now?
Doing this final engineering report, which is just really due process, just the final step in advancing this into production. We've had a lot of interest in funding this mining operation. So traditionally, the company and our investors will be thinking, oh, geez, now they're going to finance this thing. They're going to go raise $277 million to build it. Everyone immediately, just assumes that you're going to go do that by way of equity and dilute the heck out of everyone. It's just simply not the case anymore. The marketplace has changed so much, and we have that huge gap between, baseline metal prices that we've used in our engineering reports to current metal prices, which I'll take my hand off the screen for that. We are getting offered all sorts of non-traditional sources of capital right now. And most of them are just debt, which is what you want to see in a mining operation like this. You're aware, and I'll just restate this, we're all, as management, we're all investors in this company. The real benefit to us is a higher share price. So we're aligned with our shareholders. We're not sitting here to take a salary and float around and go marketing all the niceties. Well, we're not that much of a nicety anymore, but this is not a lifestyle kind of employment situation for us. This is make the most out of this company, get the market cap as high as we can get it. And hey, look, we can look at other mining ventures then. We can build and grow our company and add to our development production by picking up other assets. So we're all about getting the share price higher and minimizing dilution. We're in a very strong position where we could get this thing funded for minimal dilution, vast majority of it debt, and build and grow on it from there. So I think, news pertaining to how we're going to fund this project in the coming months would be certainly a catalyst.